Now in section untitled section, suppose I wanted to make it a lengthy answer. Okay, essay. Okay, now in this questions, I don't wanted to ask in questions, I wanted to show a image to my student. So I can click on this image, can go to the, okay, now I can use my camera, I can use URL, I can use photos, I can use Google Drive, I can use Google Image Search, or I can directly upload. So I'll upload in this case. I'll go to click on browse. It will direct me to my desktop and I'll select the image and I'll upload this image. And the image is now uploaded. Okay. Now this image has been uploaded and now I wanted to ask student, tell me something about this image. Okay, and I can make sure that this student should answer. This is a descriptive question, student can answer in a short answer. Okay, and then followed by again okay, short essay. Let's just rename this short answer. Okay, and we can go to third section. This is a long answer section. Okay, and we can delete this section. Suppose in this case I have created a wrong sections, I can delete this section. Okay, what I can do is I will delete this section. Okay, and now we have, okay, I'll rename it short answer. Okay, now I'll go to this answer and in answer key, so since this is a short, this is a descriptive answers, I won't mark anything as answer feedback. Done. Okay, and then I'll create a new section. This is a long answer section and description is essay, and we can add question, write an essay on COVID-19. Okay, and okay, write an essay on COVID-19 and we will make it a paragraph. Okay, so now here we can see that I have created certain number of a question. Okay, and I have assigned marks for this. I have assigned marks for this. I haven't assigned marks for these questions. So let's just assign marks. Okay, checkbox. This is the answer. I have to assign marks. I have assigned the marks. 1 marks for it. 2 marks. Okay, and this I have to assign marks. I'll go to answer key and I will assign suppose 2 marks for these questions. Done. Then in long answer questions, I'll click on this. I'll go to answer key and I'll assign 5 marks for this question. Done. So now our question is of our exam is ready and our exam is of 10 marks. Now before going further, here we can see that after every questions we can see this sign. Is it required mandatory questions or not? Okay, suppose I wanted to make sure that all the MCQs are mandatory. So I'll select the mandatory options. Suppose in case if you wanted to delete a specific questions, you can always click on this delete, or if you wanted to create another copy of the same questions, you can always click on this copy. Suppose I'll click on this copy option. Similar question is available to me now. I can delete this question. I don't require these questions now. Okay, now we have prepared our paper. Now we will click on themes. We can change the theme of our question paper. We can click on preview also, so that we can check whether our form is right or not. We can click on China. We can, what is COVID-19? We can write the answer. Okay, it is, suppose a student writes it's coronavirus, though it's disease. And which virus caused the COVID-19? It's SARS-CoV-2. Next, tell me something about this. This is corona virus. The next, we can write an essay, and in essay I wanted to write originated at China and submit. Okay, after submitting, student can view their score. Okay, in this case, student score 1 out of 1. Since the answer was wrong, student score 0. Since the answer was right, student score 1. Tell me something about this coronavirus, as I haven't specified the answer, and again this answer is wrong because I haven't specified the answer. Suppose in case of these two questions, we will learn how to mark our student. Okay, so please stick with us. Now we will close this preview section, this also, and come back here. Okay, now we can change the font style, background color, theme color, header, and so on in the theme options, and we will click on setting. Now just remember what are the different functions which is available to our setting. We'll click on setting. In case of setting, we will go to quiz, and we can make sure that this button should be okay. We have to click on this button. Unless until this button is clicked, we can't make sure that this form will work as a quiz. Okay, we have to convert this form into a quiz. Now release marks, when we can release these marks immediately after each submissions. Okay, since we have clicked on this, the student scored marks 2 out of 3 in the MCQs, but he scored negative marks or 0 marks in another question. So we have to click on this later after manual review. Suppose if you are asking certain questions which is subjective in nature, then you have to click on this link. Respondent can see missed questions, correct answer, and point value. Suppose you don't want the respondent to see the correct answer, you can uncheck this option. Okay, and save. Now again we will go to the preview, and again I'll fill this. Again coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, next, and then next. Answer is coronavirus, next. Again answer is China. Suppose I write China only and submit, and we can see that it won't show me the marks now. Okay, so our question section is ready, and we have to click on send button. Okay, and we can send this question. We can just close our quiz for midterm. We can close our Google form, and here we can see if we click on blank quiz, this blank quiz has been changed. We have to rename this quiz also. Okay, we have to rename this quiz for midterm, and since my quiz is ready, I'll close this, and here we can see this blank quiz has been converted into quiz for midterm. Now what we can do is we can assign if I have assigned this quiz to different classes. If I have created many classes, since in our case we have created only one class. Okay, so this will stick with one class, and we can assign either to all student or on some specific student. We can assign marks, so let me assign only 10 marks for this. We can assign time, due date and time. So in case suppose I want student have to submit the quiz on 20th by 12 noon, we can assign a topic into which topic. So suppose I can create a new topic, how to create quiz. Okay, and I will assign this quiz. Now Google is assigning this quiz to a new topic, and here we can see the Google has created a new quiz, and a new quiz has been assigned to the student. We can go back to the stream, and here we can see that World Tourism Management Federation posted a new assignment, that is quiz for midterm. Okay, so see that a new upcoming notification is coming to the students as well as teachers. Thank you very much. I hope that this lecture was informative. Thank you. very much.